What's up, Robotic Hero 21 people? Awkward, okay. Hi guys, it's me, Robotic Hero 21. Today, yeah, my Roblox account got hacked. Well, you might know from the title. Yeah, from the title. Look at here, you can actually see I have a new Roblox account now because my Robotic Hero 21 Roblox account got hacked by my friend. Today I'm with WolfGang. Say hi.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
See? Today we're gonna play Roblox and I'm gonna ask for accounts. Guys, if you're watching this, please give me a rich account so I can shout you out, and then we might do a collab video if you give me an account. So yeah, you might give me. I'm not begging, okay? I'm just asking. So today we're gonna play some Roblox games. So
My friend, they gave me some rope, and they took it back, and I didn't want it anymore, and I just changed my own hat. Look at my hat.
yeah. Actually, look at his hat. He's rich. Yeah, because his friend gave him Roblox, then he's rich now, and I'm poor. So today we're gonna play. Work at a pizza place. Just join me, Wolf. Somebody please give me a Roblox account. Oh, I will eat your cookies if you don't give me a Roblox account. I will eat your cookies. Please give me an account or eat your cookies and I will kill your mom. Just kidding. Okay, today we're gonna play Work at a Pizza Place. So I'm just gonna cut the video so it will take a long time. Guys, so I'm back. So yeah, we're gonna play. Actually, you can see I'm a bacon and WolfGang is okay, so that's weird. So Wolf, let's be a cashier. Yeah, no, never mind. I'm poor. Let me just go to the delivery room. I'm the delivery. See? I'm a delivery boy. So I'm the delivery boy. So guys, I'm playing Roblox right now because I'm poor. So everybody give me a freaking Roblox account or eat your mom. So here's Wolf. Her name is Andrea Roblox. Yeah, she's cool. I wanna be a manager. I wanna be the manager.
There's this hobby that is.
You can get Robux?
I don't know.
Maybe. EFK. So guys, I'm gonna deliver this thingy. No, don't leave me behind, car. So your boy is poor now because yeah, my account got. So somebody please give me a Roblox account if you're seeing this. Please help a poor YouTuber. I only get $1 every video, so please watch my video. You might get free cookies actually. So yeah. So I'm delivering a soda. Boy! Yo, Wolf, where you at, bro? Yeah, me and WolfGang are recording. Yeah. She's really sickening sick. Because we're the cool dudes and the leather. There you go. Hi.
I'm giving him a YouTube person.
Yeah. So guys, if you wanna give me a Roblox account, just type it out in the comments, and I will give you a shout out and just give me what's gonna shout you out and then and do a collab video with me. I might get rich, probably. I might be PewDiePie someday. So yeah. I'm promoting PewDiePie. Subscribe to PewDiePie and subscribe to T-Series. T-Series is dead. Nobody can leave me behind. Subscribe to PewDiePie.
Yesterday, my puppy.
Yeah.
My puppy got hit by a car.
Your puppy got hit by a car? Bro, that suck.
I tried to save it.
And?
Like, you know, like them chihuahuas?
Yeah, they're really small, which they can't see in a peripheral vision of a car.
But it was my pit bull that
Oh boy, that must have sucked. How much was that dog?
$150.
$50? Yo, $50 ain't good, bruh. Yo, it sucked.
Get another dog.
So your dog died, and then did you cry? At least she cried after.
Yes.
Oh no, too bad, dude. Sorry about that.
The manager job is over.
Yeah, I wanna be a manager. Manager. I wanna be a manager. I wanna be a manager so I can get Roblox accounts and then be a manager. No tutorial. I hate tutorials. Yay. No. Wrong door. Yeah, I'm the manager. I'm the bacon manager. I'm the bacon manager. And now I'm gonna promote everyone. Yay, promote everyone. There you go. Everyone. So, yeah. So I'm the manager now, so I can promote Wolf to be a chairman. Oh, here you go, here. Look guys, I'm rich now. I have a tuxedo. I have my pants. I'm rich. I'm a manager now. I can give you money. Sit here. I'm going up. And by the way, shout out to WolfGang. Yeah, I shouted her a lot. From my video, my last video, yeah, it went crazy viral, I think. Kind of. Yay, now she's gonna be the employee of the year. Sit under this chair. She can be the thingy of the year. So, okay, let me just click you. No, what's going on? I'm lagging. Maybe not. Yeah. I'm just gonna sit down here actually. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Yeah, sorry for the short video because I'm so sad. I cried. Roblox account is gone. So if you want to help me out, just comment that down below. I'm gonna be a shout out and collab with me. So guys, see you. Hey WolfGang, say bye. Wolf, say bye, dude. Well, might wait, that was awkward. So guys, I'm peacing out. Sayonara. As always, stay happy and be nice. Thank you. Peace.